Hello students, today we will see very important topic in English grammar, that is sentence. In every language, either it is math, science, SST, we need sentence to communicate, to express our feelings, thoughts and statements. So we will look about sentences. Sentences, what do we mean? First of all, a group of words which makes complete sense, which gives complete message, that is called sentences. Here is the example: Mahesh plays chess with his friends. So this conveys full message, what? That Mahesh plays chess with his friends. Suppose we write chess, friends, his, with, Mahesh plays. Does it give full meaning, full sense? No. So group of words when joined in a proper sequence gives us a correct feeling, a message. Okay. If I ask, if we say that do you go for morning walk daily, क्या आप मॉर्निंग वॉक डेली जाते हैं? The answer obviously comes what? Yes or no. So yes or no is also you can say sentence. सेंटेंस का मतलब ये नहीं कि पूरा कई वर्ड हो, अगर किसी एक वर्ड से भी पूरा आपको मैसेज पता चल जाए, मीनिंग उसकी आ जाए, तो उसको भी हम लोग सेंटेंस कहते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आंसर यस और नो, दिस ऑल्सो वी कैन से इट इज अ सेंटेंस. Now we look types of sentences. There are mainly 4 types of sentences. We will see one by one. First is assertive or declarative sentences. It means it state, declare anything, कोई चीज़ बताता है, डिक्लेयर करता है, और सबसे अच्छी पहचान क्या है? एंड्स विथ फुल स्टॉप. फुल स्टॉप के साथ वो ख़त्म होता है. एज एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ रिटन हियर, राहुल इज़ गुड एट स्पोर्ट्स. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस स्टेटमेंट या डिक्लेरेशन? शी कैन नॉट वॉक. So this type of sentences are known as assertive or declarative sentences, which state, declare and ends with full stops. Second one is interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we can see that it simply asks questions and with question mark. इसकी पहचान क्या है कि क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा और क्वेश्चन मार्क जो आप देख सकते हैं ब्रैकेट में है. एंड इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस आंसर मे बी आइदर इन यस और नो, एंड क्वेश्चन मे बी आस्क्ड विथ WH फैमिली लाइक व्हाट, वेयर, वाई. लाइक फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, डू यू हेट लायंस, पूछ रहा क्या तुम लायंस को हेट करते हो? तो सिंपली यू कैन से यस और नो. But the question of where do you live, so here you cannot say yes or no. Here you have to say in complete sentence that I live at Rawarsganj. Third type sentences is imperative sentences. ऐसा सेंटेंस है जो कमांड करता है, एडवाइस देता है, ऑर्डर करता है. If I say bring the bag here, so this is what? Order. Okay. Sit down, this is what? Command. Sit down. So the sentences which shows command, advice, order are known as imperative sentences. Last one is exclamatory sentences. ये क्या होते हैं? Which express our feelings, emotions, surprise, appreciation, shock, and end with what? Exclamation mark. You can see one line is there and one, you can say, point is there. That is what? Exclamation mark. Like example, what a beautiful place it is. So at the end, what we'll put? Exclamation mark. That is the symbol of what? Exclamatory sentences. कोई भी सेंटेंस अगर लास्ट में आप एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क नहीं लगाते हैं तो इट मे बी रॉन्ग. In here previously we have seen that there are four mainly types of sentences, but here affirmative sentences, we will talk about affirmative sentences, that is positive, like the book is mine. In this type of sentences the word not is absent. इसमें not हम लोग नहीं लगाते हैं. So affirmative sentences is also known as positive sentences. इसकी पहचान है कि इसमें हम लोग not नहीं लगाएंगे. It simply starts with capital letter and there is full stop at the end and there is no not in the sentence. Next one is negative sentences. This is just opposite of positive affirmative sentences. In this, the example is here, the book is not mine. So the word not is present here. So if the word not makes the difference in between positive and negative sentences. So I hope now you are all familiar with types of sentences, positive and negative sentences. Now here is work exercise for you all. You have to point out which type of sentences are these. Like, where is your brother working? Very simple one. What a terrible accident. Bring the chair here. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of nation. So you have to find out which type of sentences are these. Thanks for watching.